bruh, they got all the fresh joints out here. They done re-upped on the inventory. This the joint I might try to get right here. This the one right here, Carlito, that I was trying to get, right? Yep. Scat Pack Plus joint. Yeah, I think this is it.
Yeah.
Yep. Plus, man.
You gotta get. I mean, if you gonna do it, you gotta go plus.
Yeah, that's joint right.
Yeah. This one is right.
Yeah.
I mean, you got everything you would need.
Man, got the Hellcat right there. That's the one that's an 18, right?
Yeah.
I think, because this the one we drove.
Yeah. This is
yeah. Dang, so y'all got all fresh joints. So you got the white one.
You new Jones there since the last time.
Right, since the last time I was out here, yup. And look at this joint, the Sublime, right? I think that's the color.
Yep.
Scat. I know y'all like this joint. Oh, it got the hood wrap too, yeah. Okay. John Funky.
There's a plus too.
Oh, this is Scat Pack Plus? Okay.
You see it got the big brakes on it?
Oh yeah, got the Brembos, okay. Man, that color is slick, bro. Yeah, that black hood set it off. I probably would do the top and the trunk.
Like.
Yeah.
Like you gotta go do the top and maybe the trunk.
Yep. That'll set it off right there. Okay. But we're about to go and do this Ram, this 2019 Ram. So I'm gonna give it to y'all once we actually get inside the truck. Let's go. Put this Ram on the road, man. I already like this because I'm sitting up. That's why I miss about having a truck, man. This is a perfect family vehicle, man. Especially if you got kids that's kind of tall. It kind of gives you more room than a minivan or like a Tahoe, Suburban, because I've sat in the back of both of those vehicles, the Suburban and the Tahoe, and they still don't have as much room as this truck has in the back.
Yeah, the leg room back there.
Yeah, the leg room is incredible, man.
Yeah, everybody got plenty of power outlets and everything back there. Nobody feel left out.
Yep. Plenty of room. And of course, I'm gonna show y'all this big screen after we put this thing on the road for a second. Show y'all some of the functions of this 12-inch screen this truck has. Like I say, this got the Hemi in it. You know what I'm saying? So you got plenty of power. And it rides smooth. That's what I'm talking about. And that panoramic roof make it feel like you got a lot of space in it.
In case you're feeling stuffy.
Yeah.
Open that roof up.
Exactly. Now this particular truck is actually on special, guys, so I gotta let Carlito can explain to you guys more about.
Yeah, so what this truck is actually was a manager's demo. So this one got about 2,300 on it. So this one has an additional discount on it. So just anybody that's interested in a 1500 limited, you probably get this limited for the same price that you can get a Laramie or or one with a few less options on it. Like I said, this one is fully loaded, so you can get a really good deal on it. Any questions on it, please just give me a call. Don't hesitate. Give me a call on my cell, 202-697-3041. You can get me on my cell. You could text me on my cell. Same phone number again, 202-697-3041.
I know y'all want this truck. I know you do. This is nice, man. This is real nice. I'm really digging all the options, and the inside of this truck is exciting, man. You got the big screen. Even the screen right here shows you everything you need to know, man.
All of the safety features on it. You know, got the blind spot on her, cross traffic, lane departure. Got the got the pilot mode on this one. Of course, navigation, everything.
Fully loaded. See, got the Harman Kardon sound system. That's what's up, man. Yes, indeed. And I'm comfortable. You know what I'm saying? I'm 6'4". Anybody that's new to the channel, I'm 6'4", 225. Plenty of room. Even when I got in the back, I had plenty of room. So if you worrying about room, you don't have to worry about that. This is spacious. Plenty of room.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Headroom. You know, elbow room, leg, all that.
Heated, cool seats. So I'm talking about. I don't know. I was tripping. I ain't even had mine on. Yes, sir. So yeah. So you can haul stuff in here, or you can ride around and be pretty.
Yeah. This the boss's truck right here. This
nice as it is, don't even want to haul nothing in it, you know. You just want to ride around, tint the windows. Yeah, this is cool right here. This is the limited, so ain't no money. You got everything you need though. They say limited, but it's fully loaded, right?
Right. I know, and
that's crazy.
Yeah, if you think about it that way, that's true.
Exactly.
Like, what is it, limited?
Right. With a dome have on it.
That'd be limited. I don't know. I guess maybe limited quantity. Like there's a few of them.
Yeah, I got you right.
I guess that's the positive way to look at it. Or spin it.
Yeah, I like being able to look down on people, man. That's sweet.
Oh yeah, we ain't even riding at the highest level.
Yeah, so you can raise it up right here. Sweet. Yeah, this screen, they should have put these screens in the Charger, man, the new ones.
Oh yeah.
I think when they completely redesign it, they're gonna probably put this screen in here. That'd be awesome.
That's all that we need.
Yeah. Shit. Yeah, man, this truck has a push start. It has the rotary knob here to put it in drive, park, reverse, neutral.
Yep. Even if you got to put stuff in the back, of course the seats fold up. You just slide stuff across. Got the rugged floor mats back there in case you have heavy things that you got to throw in the back. That's that. The back of the seat has a extra leather protection on the back, so in case you when you slide stuff back there, you scratch up the leather. It's a little thicker, it can withstand a little more.
Yeah. You can load the whole family on here, load your boys up in here, your little sweeties, however you want to do it. It's got the space for it.
Yeah. Everything. You like say, you know the dog people that's out there. You know, I know I got 3 dogs, and it's like, you know, the first thing they do, they want to come back there and they lift up the back seat and say, oh yeah, that's plenty of room for the dog.
So don't hesitate. Contact Carlito if you're interested in a vehicle like this, man. We can get it for you. Just let us know the options you're looking for, and we'll make it happen, man. Well, Carlito can make it happen. All right, guys, so I've been getting some requests to review the new Ram, so I'm waiting for Carlito to come back out. The main thing I like about this truck, man, is the room in it. If you a family guy and you got more than one child, this is the truck to get, bro. Look at all the leg room in here. This is the main reason to buy a truck like this. Because even in a minivan, I mean, you got some room, but not as much room as you have in this truck. And like I said, I'm 6'4". I sit in here, I got plenty of room. Look at my leg room. You know what I'm saying? So it's like you're not gonna get this much. You're not gonna get this much space in any other truck, even a Tahoe. You know what I'm saying? And just look at the style of this truck, bro. Got the big wheels. I think they 22s. Yep, you got 22s on here. Got the little chrome accents, and you got the Hemi. You know what I'm saying? So you can't lose. Everything is pretty much already set up for you. Bed already set up. Got the tent on it already in the back. And it's sitting right. All right, we're gonna show y'all the function where the truck can rise and you can lower it. Now it's lowered, so Carlito's gonna raise the truck.
What it does is that it seesaws.
Yeah.
So raise the front.
All right, see how it's rising? I like that. Man, that thing going up, bro. That's tight right there. Now it's sitting high. Yes, sir. All right, let's take a quick look at the inside of this truck. You got your big navigation screen right there, man. Look how huge that is, bruh. If you get lost looking at that screen, then you just suck. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video right here, man. If this is your first time joining my channel, man, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, man. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.